Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 1 of your assessment paper number 9. Alright, let's take a look at this. It says part A, find the difference between 6 thousands and 243 tens. Okay, so how did I teach you to do this? Remember, 6 thousands and 243 tens. Find the difference. Okay, yeah. So 6 thousands. Thousands means 3 zeros at the back. Tens mean 1 zero at the back. So you got there. And they said find the difference, put your minus there. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 3, cannot. So must borrow. 5, 10 becomes 9, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 2, 3. The answer is 3570. Alright, good job. Okay, part B. Let's move on to part B very quickly. Subtract 1353 from 3923. The answer is 200 less than what? So subtract first. 3923 minus 1353. Is that correct? Excuse me. Yes. So 3 minus 3 gives me 0. 2 minus 5, I cannot, so I borrow 1. I get 8. 12 minus 5 gives me 7. 8 minus 3 gives me 5, and 3 minus 1 gives me 2. The answer is 2570. Alright, good job. The answer is 2570. And for part C, not yet. 2570. This answer is 200 less than what? That means this is 200 less than something. The question is asking you for that something. So this number is 200 less than something. So that means this is 2570. That means if it's less, which means that our number is actually more. By how many? By 200. So you plus 200, you will get 2770. And that is our answer. Alright, good job. Okay, now we'll move on to part C. Part C says, what is the number that I must subtract from the sum of 2052 and 2012 to get 131? So first off, from the sum of 2052 and 2012. So first off, we plus it together to find the sum. 2052 plus 2012. Answer 4064. And they said, what must I subtract from this sum to get 131? So 4064 minus 131. 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 3, 3, 0 minus 1, cannot borrow from 1, 3, 10 minus 1, 9, 3, 9, 3, 3. The answer is 3933. Alright, good job. Let's move on to part D. Janet had 3 $50 notes. Now, 3 $50 notes. 50, 50, 50. How much is it together? 50 times 3 or 50 plus 50 plus 50 gives me 150. Question, she spent $38 on food and $12 on transport. How much did she have left? So simple. So we minus $38 for transport, right? On food. Minus 38. We will have 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. And then we have 1. 112. 112 minus $12 for transport gives you $100. So the answer is $100. Good job. We're moving really fast here. Use the following digits, 5803, 5803. Now use these digits to form the smallest odd number and the greatest even number, and then find the difference of it, is it? Yes. Find the smallest odd number. Okay, smallest odd number means the last number must be odd. So what is odd? Odd is 13579. Okay, last number must be odd, which means that it's either 3 or 5. So if you want to find the smallest odd number, so which one should we use? 3 or 5? We should use 5 because the 3 can be used in front. And from there, we just take the smallest number, which is 3085. Okay, that's the smallest odd number. And what is the biggest even number? For the biggest even number, excuse me, I'm having a cold. Having sick the past few days. Okay, anyways, to find the even number, the biggest even number, you must look for the even numbers, which is 8 and 0. To find the biggest even number, we must use 8 or 0. Of course, we cannot put 0 in front, so we must put 0 at the back. So 8530. Okay, that is the biggest even number. And then find their difference. So just minus it off. So you use your working. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator. 8530 minus 3085. The answer is 5445. So the answer is 5445. And that is the final question on that. And if you got all of those right, I'm very proud of you because you are a math prodigy. Good job. All right, so we are done for question number 1. And the quote of the week is this: decide, make a decision now to have no fear. Okay, some of you I notice have fear of math. You're all afraid of math. Why is that? You are afraid because you don't know yet. Okay, so what we are doing in class and what we're doing in school is we are learning so that we know, and when we know, we don't have any fear about it. You know, why are you so afraid of ghosts? Because you don't know what they're gonna do to you. But once you know what they're going to do to you, now you become really afraid. That was a joke. But basically the thing is, when you have no fear, when you don't have any fear in you about math, math becomes fun. Math becomes understandable and you can score very easily in it. So have no fear. Decide now to have no more fear of it and you will move forward. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.